Alright, so this is a small video. My car is making a squeal whenever I turn on the car. I've been told it might be the starter. If it's worse, is the flywheel. This is manual speed, manual transmission. I mean, it's on. I'll shut it off. As you can see, it's on. It starts fine. It's just, it makes a nasty squeal, so maybe you guys could tell me. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off. Key is out. Press the clutch. Here we go. I guess, I don't know if you guys heard that. I'll do it one more time. Fuck, it bugs the hell out of me. Well, hopefully you guys can tell me.